Here we have a 2015 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels with the red M Sport brake calibers just behind. We have the white exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, two black kidney grills at the front. Round to the passenger side you'll find the second alloy wheel. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, the M Performance kit as well. Coming around to the rear you'll find the carbon fibre rear spoiler just here. The camera will pick that up. As this vehicle is a convertible, the roof will go up and down with a simple press of a button. Round to the rear you find the quad tip exhaust, and this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's take a look now at the interior. Inside of here you'll find the full red leather interior, two seats at the back, two at the front. Both of the front ones are heated. We also have the electric windows just here and the electric mirrors. We have the auto lights, multifunctional steering wheel which has cruise control and speed limiter, paddle shifters on both sides. We also have the auto wipers. There's a look at the dashboard and the main infotainment screen which has the likes of sat nav. We also have DAB radio, phone connectivity and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. Thank you very much for watching.